How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review and installation video on these LED head bulbs, okay, from JDM A-Star, right there, global provider for automotive LED lighting, okay. These bad boys right here, I'm not too sure what that number stands for, but here are all the specifications. The color temperature is 6500K, operating life, around 30,000 hours, custom made, it says right there. 8,000 lumen. I think that stands for lumen. DC 932. Run at 30 watts. What else we got here? Here's the fitment size for this car. Honda Accord 9006. Let's check out, see what's on the inside here. Alright, so got an installation guide. I don't think we're gonna need that. I think it's pretty much just plug and play here. Yep. Yeah, so these should just hook straight up to the factory harness. Oh, okay. A little bit bigger than I thought. Get this out of here. And I don't know if I need to, is that a fan? That's a fan. Wow. Yeah, like I said, I've never seen a pair of LED headlights before, but I've always wanted some. Yeah, this looks like it goes right into the factory. Okay. And it's just an LED on this side, and then an LED on that side. It's nice, really braided line here. It's very nice. Okay, I'm hyped for this. All right, so you're probably not gonna have to do, let me put that back nice and gentle. I don't know if I have to be careful with the end of it like an HID bulb or not, but we're just gonna do that anyway, just not touch that. You probably aren't gonna have to do what I have to do. I do have HIDs in the baluster in there. I was just in here, so that's why it's all, hanging around. Let me see here, trying to see up in there. So I think I'm just gonna undo my factory bulb. Or not factory, but my HID bulb. Pull that out. So here's my HID bulb. Okay, and that is the factory harness right there for the headlight. So I'm gonna undo that, and this whole thing should just come out. So this is what I was rocking before. Yes, it's dirty. I don't have spot shields or anything. So HID, Apex. Throw this off to the side somewhere. But this new one, be gentle, right here. I'll leave that one in. That way I can get both sides and we can compare them. But this just plugs into that white part right there. All right, like that, right there. And make sure it goes all the way in. It clicks right on. All right, so far so good. Take the LED. I'm gonna go ahead and put it, right there. That hole all the way back there. If it'll focus. It's not gonna focus, but it's right there. Go ahead and put that in there. All right, well, put this off to the side. It's in there. It's really hard to see, but I'm trying to get a good view here. It's in. Right there. Got a bunch of other wiring stuff going on down there. But the LED is in. And I'll go turn on the headlights so we can see. Oh, okay. I didn't expect that. Okay, so it's really, really bright. It only looks like I have one headlight on, actually. That's how bright that is. This one's still heating up. This is the HID side, that's the LED side. Wow, okay. What? Like Like it's a little tiny bit foggy because this one's old and that one's new. I'm in the middle of changing them over, but it should not be that much of a difference. This is two totally different worlds right now. And I can hear, you know, it's so cool. I can hear that little tiny fan humming. It's so weird. It's almost like they cut off too, which is awesome. You know what? Now I'm gonna go ahead real quick and swap out that headlight housing with the newer one, like this one, and I'll keep the HID in there, just to be sure. All right, so I went ahead and put that newer headlight housing in. That way they match, and you know, I guess to make it fair game. So, just so you can see, this is one brand new. Brand new, here's the old one that I just took out of there. But now I'm gonna go ahead and turn the headlights on. So, what? What is going on here? I'm gonna give this one a little bit more time so it can heat up. You can see I didn't like wire anything and I literally just went and put the headlight back in, but what? And it's instant. Instant. Oh my gosh. It's like the smile of God. Look at that. There we go. And Jesus, it's like no matter where I go, light. But here it's like really direct, right there. Yeah, they're all the way heated up now. No, over here. It's like I don't even have a headlight on the right side. There's like no light over here. Let me go turn off the lights. I can't believe I've been driving like that. I don't understand. All right, so now you can see it all good. Headlight, all my legs. When I come over here to this one, headlight. Oh my, look at the difference in that. Right to left. It's like blinding white. That is amazing. I didn't expect it to be that much of a difference, but yes, it's a massive difference. Oh man. Yeah, I'm gonna finish putting everything in and I'm gonna go and install the LED in that one. All right, so here's the car all put back together with the LEDs in now. They are super bright and this beautiful bright white color, 65K, 6500. And I can hear the fans, which is the coolest thing ever. I can hear that. The little tiny fans on the back of each bulb, I can hear them whining. It's just great. Oh man, it makes my, yes. I don't know, I'm really psyched about it. All right, so yeah, as you can see, they are bright, really bright, and it's really bright in here. I've got LED bars everywhere, so yes. Like, I don't think I'm ever gonna have regular, like, halogens or HIDs, just regular bulbs ever again. I think every car I'm ever going to have, if it doesn't come with LEDs, I'm definitely going to be putting some in, because that is just phenomenal. At the end of this video, I'm gonna put in a little thing of me just driving at night, so you guys can see that. They are really, really bright. But yeah, thanks again, JDM A-Star, for reaching out to me. This is an awesome opportunity. I absolutely love them. Like I said before, I've had HIDs this whole entire time, and I didn't think it could get any better than that. But it was just out of my own ignorance. I did not know. Whew. I love looking at the front end of this car now. Yeah, so if you guys found this helpful in any way, shape, or form, feel free to leave a like, subscribe. I'm gonna leave a bunch of different JDM A-Star links to their products on Amazon down below. They're like one of the Amazon's top sellers for automotive lighting. And yeah, it's a big privilege. And I really do appreciate you guys sending me out these LEDs, because they are awesome. They're not going anywhere. They're gonna stay with this car forever now. And yeah. I appreciate you guys watching. Have a good one. Be safe.